Big rock, what's your creek flooding? Going through the flooded creek. We're off through the creek today. Railroad bridge. Just dive in. I look at it first, say it's full of water.
Yeah, I hear it.
Oh, the ice is moving.
Oh,
Awesome.
Can you? No, it's pure ice.
Stop here.
Alright, stop here.
Hold on.
It jams up. I'm gonna back up.
Stop right there for 1 second. Alright, you'll get out of there. You'll get out of there. Yeah. It's all mud. You'll get out. You'll get out. Come on, give her hell.
Get stuck out, right?
I hear you, and then get washed away. And then we'll come out. We'll be alright. A couple runs, I can get straightened up, straight at it. We'll be good. Hammer time. Tahoe, baby. City Hollow boys. Trick is moving.
Up to there.
Huh?
Water's up to right there.
Yeah, we'll have to turn around right there. Holy shit, it's coming up. It maybe it's even coming up still.
Coming up hard.
Sweet. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, we better get the fuck out of here for long.
That's moving. You're not coming up any harder than that.
You know, like it's gonna jam up down there.
It might. I don't know. Let's just pull here and stop for a second. You might get jammed. You might wash away, but let's check it out first.
Hey, our trail, it's starting to get on our trail.
Water's coming in behind us. We gotta get the fuck out of here. Ooh, it's muddy too. Hammer it. Don't fuck around, hammer it. You're alright. Back up straight on. Don't care.
There's a big hole behind us.
Okay. Right there. Hit it. Hit it hard. See if I can stand out the first time. Uh-oh.
Get fucked, dude.
Hammer it. You got it. Yeah. That was a little scary, huh?
Yeah, I'm thinking like.
Trick's gonna start backing up too, so
Yeah, we better get across that.
we better get across here pretty quick. Yeah, it's coming up fast. Holy fucking flooding. Coming up fast. Thought we were getting stuck down in there. Swinging hard my way to get past that big dune.
Yep. Just trying to get a slide in.
Yeah. Yeah, ho. Let's go, ho, go.
That was making me a little nervous.
That was fun.
Fuck yeah. I can
Yeah.
see that water getting
City
back.
Hollow boys almost stuck in the river getting washed out. Yeah. Trouble.
Can't believe we just came up through there.
Wow.
The ice was just moving a second ago. It's fucking dead stop now.
Nice.
We were just down there. Lax tracks through there for a while.
We were just parked right